gentlemen, there is your Train Tuesday for February 2nd. (2016). Our first Train Tuesday, and if we look down here now, it'll focus on it. We have 2 red lights, but it's not going to focus. So yeah, and down there we have a red light too. So we might get another one in today. I'll hang out here for a little bit and see if we catch another one. I know Amtrak will be coming this way soon. So yeah, haven't even been here 15 minutes and already got a train. So we will catch you on the next Train Tuesday, which might be next Tuesday. So yeah, we'll see you guys later, and have a good day.